The exponents of the company, and this guy's going to tell me all about it.
So hi, my name's Richard from Tech. So we're a ITAD provider. So what is ITAD? It's all about IT asset deposition. So as an organisation, when you're looking at buying new equipment, new IT, like say laptops, servers, what are you doing with all of your old, and how are you getting rid of that? So that's where we come in.
Okay.
So we can destruct hard drives, so we have a proper machine that will clean off all the data and then destruct it. That is what a drive would look like after it's been through one of our machines.
Oh, impressive.
We'll then provide a certificate for that. There's a full audit trail. We can also help you out, so when your products come to like an end of life, we have a zero landfill policy. So our main motto really is reusing. If we can't reuse, we'll recycle. As I say, we do not want anything going to landfill.
Yeah,
so it's all about helping companies reach their sustainability targets. We can also assist organisations when their staff are leaving and they need to get the equipment back, so we can go pick it up, we can clean that up, and then we can either say, do you want it back as it is, or do you want us to sell it through our e-store, which means it can be sold as a refurb, and then you get a percentage of the sales.
Oh, wow.
And that is essentially our ITAD program.
Well, thank you very much. That's sick, man. It's very technical company. Liquid cooling company. nVent. I'm going to check these out. Hologram, you know. Look at that hologram. That is so cool. That's elite. Let me get some information. Apparently they do the airflow in buildings, so different designs. So like air, get air in. And this is giving you an example of the buildings they do. Wait, it's going to flip the screen in a minute. As you can see, funny designs, but it lets the air in the building, but it makes the building look more nicer. And Maple's the company. It is some nice buildings actually. Box and the S Group. That's on the service here. They're really good, this one is actually. It's really impressive. They could do different temperatures, cold, really minus something, and then 70 degrees. It's really clever. They're a really good company. This is oil free.
I just want to compare you with the other manufacturers. Can I give you the answer?
See them again?
Liquid carbon management.
Liquid carbon management. This is what they cover. It's quite a bit actually. They cover quite a bit. Nice picture though.
It looks really tasty, that, to be fair.
If you're interested, guys, check them out. LCM companies stand anyway, and this is a bit. They do training courses as well. If you're interested, virtual seminar training courses and sort of things like that. It's a QR code if you want to scan it in there. Yeah, they're quite good actually. Quite an insight to what they do. It's worth it. GF company, it's the things they make. It's pretty impressive, you know, think. The tech they got here is so cool. Companies here, you know. This is like data storage. You wonder what they look like. This is a company that set Stills, it's one of them. Like data storage, security, Tennessee can. Here's another one. Like, it's so cool. The systems are that works. Pretty impressive actually. Given to take that. Conditioning company. This is their air conditioning units. Quite impressive actually. But yeah, Technic Precision Air Conditioning video. Show you a bit more the exhibition. What's here? The companies. Something of a bit of an insight. Give you an idea what's here and what they have. The problem is there's so much to see. This is crazy. There's so much to take in. The day's needed. I didn't come at the right time. I didn't come early. Come a bit later today. But yeah, there's so much here. So much to take in. Sick. It's a water energy saving system.
It's a huge beast, isn't it?
Massive, isn't it?
Oh, Jesus.
That's pretty impressive. That's really impressive. Water energy saving cooling system. That's so impressive. Wines, some popcorn. Well, give away to do the company. You can see all the different company names. They've got like t-shirts, flannels, hats, socks. I like these glasses because when you look at your tablet or your phone, it's not glaring at the screen. You know, dark papers, diaries. There's a lot of diaries. They go all the way down. Stickers, loads of stickers. Technical side of stuff. It's got sweets and that. Fidgets, barries, little game you can make. And these are like charger. You know, when you charge your phone up. It's like little charge up your phone. All chargers. And you've got one bottle, drink bottle. But actually, I've got two, but one with a difference. I think this is a nice drinks bottle. A review on itself, basically, and it's done by the company. And apparently, it's a temperature one. Here we are, look. It tells you, actually 21 Celsius now, it's telling me the temperature inside. So it keeps it warm inside, which is really good when you do a hot drink. And it's got like a little drain filter to make the tea. It's really, really fancy gadget. Got nice hot teas when I go out, when it's got cold weather, like now. But yeah, nice bit of a swag, they say. All the tech stuff, but all randomly. Yeah. Gonna give some to my mum because she likes some of this when I come home, and we've got tons of pens. Lots of pens.